Okay, I wanted to test out my Predator 2000 here generator using this electric heater, little small electric heater. It says it's rated for 1500 watts, so thinking this will be able to handle it. We'll give it a try and see how it works. So we'll get the Predator fired up. Put it in the start position. Turn the eco off. Okay. That going. Power button on. And power this. Okay. See if these coils turn on. Goes. There's a fan and heat coming out of this thing. Seems like it's running it pretty good. No overload or anything showing on the Predator. So I don't know how long you get this to run, this heater, but you know, it'll take that load, it'll work. So thanks for watching.